Let's walk through how to document revenue in NetSuite. When a constituent either gives a donation or places an order through a messaging app and pays via GCash. We'll cover both the accrual and cash basis methods, starting with how to check if the constituent exists in NetSuite. First, let's tackle the leading practice method, that is, accrual basis. Step 1 is to search for the customer. First, I'll use NetSuite's global search to check if this constituent already exists. I'll search by email or name, say Diana Bautista or diana.bautista@email.ph. If they're not in the system yet, I'll quickly create a new customer record under Constituents, Lists, Constituents, New. Step 2 is to create a sales order. Now that the constituent record is set up, I'll create a pledge order. Here, I'll add the items that represent what they donated. Let's say a direct contribution individual. I'll save the order once details are confirmed. Step 3 is to issue an invoice. Next, I'll generate an invoice directly from the pledge order. With the pledge order open, I'll click Bill to create the invoice. This ensures revenue is recorded under accounts receivable, aligning with accrual accounting. Step 4 is to accept payment. Finally, I'll record the GCash payment against the invoice. I'll select the invoice, enter the payment method, and apply the amount. NetSuite will automatically mark the invoice as paid and update the cash account. So, under accrual accounting, the process would be to document the order, then issue the invoice to bill the customer, and then accept the customer's payment against the invoice. This tracks revenue when earned, not just when cash is received. Now let's take a look at the next method, that is cash basis. Step 1, search for the customer. Just like before, I'll search for the constituent in global search. If they're new, I'll create the record first. It's important to keep your records free from duplicates. Step 2 is to create a cash sale. Since the constituent paid immediately via GCash, I'll skip the sales order and invoice. Instead, I'll go straight to Constituent, Sales, Enter Donation, Cash Sales. I'll select the constituent, add the items, and note the payment method as GCash. When I save this, NetSuite records revenue directly with no accounts receivable impact. The cash method is faster, 1 transaction instead of 3, but doesn't show outstanding receivables. Use this if you recognize revenue only upon payment. To recap, for accrual, it's pledge order, then invoice, then payment. For cash basis, it's just a donation cash sale. The right method depends on your accounting practice.